what is a reservation? As you know that in this time reservation is the biggest matter in our country. And what is the reservation? Reservation is government giving a equality to all communities. But in this time we are seeing that the communities are growing up. But many of the communities who are backward areas, but in this time they are too much in growing. So we should be first understand which communities is the backward area. Firstly, then we should give the reservation. Otherwise, if we are giving the all over the reservation in backward area, I think it is not a good.
Yeah, and I agree with you. And I would like to add one more point. As we have seen, reservation is good, but it should not be category wise. It should be economic wise.
I agree with Mr. Ritik Chan because he said reservation gives equality to all communities. It gives special status, not equality. We should understand that it gives status.
But what is the matter behind it? Government is giving just because of the equality, just because of the backward areas.
Not equality. It's not equality. It's special status.
Can you explain this, please?
Because if we want to say, he is SC, I am general category. Let's suppose.
Okay.
And he attained 39 out of 50. I attained 45 and I am not selected. He is selected. He is equality. Not it's special status for him, not for me.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Equality.
But what is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? That person is in a backward area. They should be grow just because of the special status.
There are many kinds of people who belong to the category, but they are want.
Don't make a debate.
There are many kinds of people in general category who really wants reservation, but the reservation system is not good, so they did not get reservation.
Sometimes reservation become an hinder in the growth of our nation.
Yeah.
Reservation give opportunities for those persons who belong to low communities, and they have get a chance to serve with general category, and it is good for those who belong to
Lower categories.
low category.
But it should be in an education system. I think education system should be no reservation.
In education system should be reservation on only college basis, but not in the job basis.
If you are giving the reservation to the education system, then how can it possible that students should be studying in 100%, should be give the 100% effort in a study?
How can you say that if a person selected in government job like IAS officer and he don't have quality to represent his country, how can you say that he is eligible for this position if he was sent to the another country as America and he is not able to speak English?
First, you understand my point.
How,
you are not understanding my point.
Just listen to me.
Yeah.
How can he represent our country in America?
According to
As I am saying that, firstly,
You should not implement this idea in all education. It should be in education, not in education. Government job.
Reservation should not be the education. I am saying it.
I am agreeing with my friend.
You are
in education. We will not implemented the reservation system, because when we implemented the reservation system in education system, then it will be a very harmful for us.
I would like to say government also launch non-criminal and criminal system in every country, where if a candidate's father and mother are doing government jobs, then they are not eligible for this status, special status.
In my opinion, the reservation system is good if it is used in positively and growth of the people and country. In my opinion, that in current it will be diminished according to the time that our country increase day by day and every community grow up, and in our defenses these rules are not follow in any areas, and the post joining basis only talent and the merit base, which is good and give the all equality, but this reservation system in our
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. The reservation should not be implemented on the government jobs like Air Force, Navy, Army. It should be implemented only education system.
I am
It is already,
my friend.
It is already.
It is already.
But I am saying that
I am saying it should not be implemented. It wants
if you are giving a reservation in the jobs, then students should not be give the 100% effort, and country will not be grow, because just because of the service person is growing our country, and also in going growth just because of the service person.
I believe with your point. In many times we saw that a person who is more talented but not find job because he belongs to upper class, and a person who is less knowledge but he finds jobs because he belongs to lower classes. So it's not implemented on jobs, so it's implemented on education system.
It is also not.
अनिकेत बाद में कब आता है?
In my opinion, it should not use as a religion. It should use as who is under the below poverty line. It should be for those people who are really poor.
According to me, it should not be implemented all time. It was come into the prominence for only for 10 years, and after it going on.
Because it is not implemented at all cost, because in this time we are also seeing that some communities are in a backward areas. So it should be, but it should be in the right manner. It should not be the like past. It should be in the present, and should be government should think about it, and we should be also think about it. If we are capable to doing our work, we should not be take a reservation.
There are many types of community are living in our country as general, OBC, SC, ST. Some type people are belong to general, and some type people are belong to OBC, SC, ST. Is suppose any exam was held in which the person who belongs to journal and he is a poor person, but due to reservation he not able to get selection in a job, but the person who belongs to OBC, SC, ST and he is a rich person, but due to reservation he get job very easily.
Yeah.
This is very bad for our country, and it should be eradicated and implemented based on economic, not based on caste system.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you, and we have seen in our country that our government misuses the reservation and increase and government is increasing their vote bank, and we can see he implemented EWS to increase vote bank for him.
Government is also trying to decrease this system, and it launched the EWS system. Economical weak system is very good for those candidates who are poor but belong to general category, so they can get the reservation and get a job. This is good.
There are many kinds of people who make fake income certificates, giving the bribe to the Lekpal, and many kinds of government employees.
But recently I have read a story where a SC candidate take admission in IIT Mumbai or Patna. I don't know exactly which is city, but his mom, suppose that he takes admission in IIT Mumbai and he takes suicide because of he don't know how to handle this type of study pressure. How can we manage? Can say that education system reservation is very good.
I would like to, sir, also ask you a question, as you are saying that how if he doesn't know how to handle the pressure. That's why he went there, just to learn how to handle the pressure.
So
one thing I would like to add one more. If we want to equal these communities, we see that there is still in India, we cannot deny that still there are many communities, especially if you talk about SC and ST, the scheduled caste and scheduled and these kind of, still we compare general category to the SC category, still we will feel that still there are many families belongs to the SC categories, they are struggling much, even they are not able to earn their livelihood. If you want to promote them, do you have any other option? Government has a simple option that they are giving reservation to them. Anyhow, one boy got placement from the government job. By this, what will happen? He will change the society, especially of his family. He will be able to provide education to the young ones. That was the main agenda of government. That's why it was implemented. So that anyhow, if 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 people are placed from any community, they can change their community. That was the main reason. That is why the government implemented this rule. And I don't think so this was wrong. If you talk about that some things, everything is not written in books. Sometimes what happens when we live the life, we learn the things. If anyhow what happens, somebody was placed anywhere and at that time he was not maybe deserving candidate, but after some time he will learn it. Especially if you talk about what happens, the real things are learnt in the practical knowledge, by the theoretical knowledge. So I don't think so that this is wrong, because still if we compare general category, SC and ST, OBC, still we see that the same thing is happening here. Still if we compare, the condition of general category is much better than SC and ST. So if SC and ST getting extra advantage a little bit, what's wrong with that? Yeah, one thing I would like to just say, that I think so there is need of some changes to be made in reservation. Reservation is not bad if it is being implemented by the government, but yeah, there should be some steps, because what happens these days, just because of caste system, many candidates who are belonging already from a rich family, you may say that they are financially stable and they are getting reservation, and on the same place what happens, we see someone belongs to the general category family, they are not financially so much stable, but they are deserving candidates, but they are not getting placement. So here I believe that there is need of some correction in reservation system, but I don't oppose reservation system. Reservation system is good, but it should have some alternate, like there is need of some changes. But at last again I would say, still we see there is too much inequality between the societies, especially if you talk about, there are still many communities who doesn't even take water from the lower categories. Still there's too much touchability, and just to remove these kind of problems, best thing is reservation. If they are financially stable, they will be treated equally. And how they will be financially stable? Just by getting job. So this was the main agenda, and I don't think so that this is wrong. Yeah, there is need of some implementations.
Yeah, I want to say that if we completely in the reservation system, just think about the situation of lower caste people. The situation of lower caste people will not be better if we completely in the reservation system. We should and.
Okay, at last let me have conclusions. Everyone, please conclude.
At last, I conclude that the reservation system is good it is helpful for our development communities and development of our country. It is good. I am not saying that it is not good, but it's want some improvement which is really good for our communities.
At last, I would like to conclude that reservation in India is good. Sometimes it is not good, but there is a long way to go, and it wants many kinds of reforms to the reservations.
I would like to say, सबका साथ should be our agenda, but government should also understand what problems are going on there. They can fix it easily, so he should try to fix it.
According to my opinion, reservation system is helpful for those who are low quality, but it is not good in the implemented of government jobs, because the general category deprived of the jobs, because he got more marks and he doesn't selected in the job, so it is not should be in the government jobs.
At last, I want to conclude that the reservation system is not completely bad for our society. Sometimes it may be good for lower caste people, as they are not upcoming from the society. So government should implement improvements in this reservation system.
At last, I would like to say that reservation system is good, but it should not be implemented in job. It should be implemented in education system, and it should be implemented in poor people. Their financial condition is not good.
Finally, we can say that government should remove this evil, and we should believe in sabka saath, sabka vikas.
At last, I want to say that reservation system is good when its profits gets to reserving candidates. Then it is very good, and because there are a lot of people who have a great talent, but due to reservation they didn't get the placement. Then it is very bad for us.
At last, I would like to say that reservation in India is good, because the reservation is giving special power to improve the condition of the backward areas. If the backward areas will be improved, I think country will be improved. But if we think about the education system and a job, the government should be seated by the backward areas, but and the merit should be the same. I think it will be good for us.
Reservation is good. It can be more good if our government takes some proper step to make some good things to uplift the qualities of the person who belongs to